Hi everyone, and if you want to know how to fix something went wrong, please try again later on Reddit. You've come to the right place. So I already solved my problem and how to fix it. I will tell you a few main ways. So first of all, you need to make sure that you have the latest version of your browser. Once you've done that, and if problem not fixed, you need to delete your browser cookie and cache. So just simply go to your settings in browser, click delete browsing data, and choose the whole time in the time range. You can click here and here to save your browsing history and to only delete cookies and the cache images. If the problem won't be fixed after that, you can go to your browser settings and here find extensions, manage extensions, and here you need to turn off, and better will be just to remove all the extensions which you don't need on your browser. If even this won't solve your problem, you can try to download a different browser and watch it on different browser. So that's all of the solutions. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.